students, in a series of simplification. Today's topic is simplification of integers. We have learnt DMAS rule. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. We need to perform division first, then multiplication, then addition, and at last we need to perform subtraction. We have studied BODMAS also. In BODMAS, B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So it is BODMAS and sequence. There are four kind of brackets. First, this kind of line which is above the number and is called line bracket. Second, small brackets, or we can say parentheses bracket. Third, braces or curl. Then big bracket. So there are four kind of brackets and there is a sequence too. Sequence is like this. At first we need to solve line bracket if exists, and then small or parentheses bracket, then curly or braces, and at last we used to solve big bracket. Let us solve few questions with this rule of BODMAS of simplification of integers. Here is your first question. In this question, there are different kind of brackets. As I already told you, at first we will focus on this small bracket only, and rest of the things we will write as it is. So we will solve this 8 divided by 4 minus 1, and here are two operations, and we know that we used to do division first. So 8 divided by 4, which is equals to 2. Rest of the things will be as it is. Now still we have to solve this small bracket. So 2 minus 1. In next step we will solve this part only. 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1. So now it is 5, 1. 5 multiplied by 1. Now we will multiply this and we will get this 3 minus 5 in curly brackets. Now according to the rule of brackets, we need to solve this braces or curly brackets. 3 minus 5, and we know that 3 is a positive integer and minus 5 which is a negative integer. So here what we need to do, we need to do subtraction, and but we will put the sign of minus. The answer will be in form of negative integer. So here it is minus 2. Now minus minus will be plus, so your equation will be like this: minus 6 plus 2. Now here again, because 1 is negative and 1 is positive integer, that's why we will do subtraction, and we will put the sign of highest absolute valued integer. So here again our answer will be in form of negative integer. So it is minus 4. Now again minus minus will be plus, so it is your question minus 11 plus 4. Now just do subtraction and put the negative sign. So here it is minus 7. So focus on the rule of BODMAS and solve the questions. Here is your next question. 14 divided by bracket starts 3 of 2 minus 3 plus 4 bracket close minus 9 bracket starts 5 minus 3 bracket close, and both are small brackets. So we can solve both the brackets together also. So here in this bracket there are three operations of subtraction and addition. We will solve off first. 3 of 2 is equals to 6, and here only one operation is there, 5 minus 3, which is equals to 2. Very simple. Now here are two operations, either minus 3 or plus 4. So what we will do, we will add first, and here 9 2s are 18. So it is 10 minus 3 minus 18. Now we will solve this bracket only. In next step, 10 minus 3, which is equals to 7. So 14 divided by 7 minus 18. Now here division and subtraction, and we know that we need to do division first. So 14 divided by 7 equals to 2 minus 18. Now one is positive integer and another is negative, so we will do subtraction and we will put the negative sign. It is minus 16. Now focus on BODMAS and you can solve any questions of simplification. So here another question, minus 3 multiply minus 12 divided by minus 4 plus 3 multiply 6. So here multiplication, division and addition, three operations, and we know that we need to do division first. So at first we will solve these part. Minus 12 divided by minus 4, and both are negative integers. So when we divide both negative integers, then that negative sign will be cancelled, and what we will get, minus 3 multiply 3 plus 3 multiply 6 as it is. Now there are two multiplications and one addition. We will do multiplication first. So we will do both the multiplications together. So minus 3 multiply 3 equals to minus 9, and 3 6 are 18. So minus 9 plus 18. Now we will solve this and your answer will be 9. Now let us solve one more question of simplification of integers. Here are brackets and here is line bracket too. So I have already told you, when there are brackets, and because brackets are of four kinds of line bracket, a small bracket, curly bracket and big brackets, then the sequence starts from line bracket. So at first we will solve this 3 minus 6. So here rest of the things will be as it is, and here what we will get, yes, this is minus 3 and this minus minus will be plus, so it is plus 3. Now we will solve this small bracket, 9 plus 3 equals to 12, so it is 12. Now 3 12s are 36. Now we will focus on this curly bracket, 5 minus 36, which is equals to minus 31, and minus minus will be plus. So your question will be like this, 7 plus 31. Then we will solve this 7 plus 31, which is equals to 38. So 11 minus 38. Now just solve this and you will get your answer minus 27, which is a negative integer. And why negative integer? Because we know that the absolute value of minus 38 is greater than the absolute value of 11. So my dear students, simplification is very easy, but what you need to do? Yes, practice, practice and practice.